Now in this example, these are just practicing our order of operations. So part A, there's no parentheses, there's no exponents. Multiply and divide. So I read from left to right and do any multiplying I see in the order it comes in. So I've got a 5 times 2. So I take 5 times 2, that's 10. So then I look at this, oh, it's 12 minus 10. 12 minus 10 is 2. And that's our final answer there. Part B, same letters or same numbers, just we threw in some parentheses. Now those parentheses mean we have to do whatever's in parentheses first. So in this case, I have to take the 12 minus 5 first and get 7, and then take that times 2, and 7 times 2 is 14. Be careful with the order of operations. Watch for those kinds of things. Part C, parentheses first. So it's still going to be 30 divided by 5 plus, and then 4. When it's written like this, parentheses, 6 minus 2 is 4. Now it's multiplying and dividing. I will say right here, 4 and the 4, and that's in parentheses, that's multiplying. So I do multiplying and dividing at the same time, left to right. So the first thing, reading left to right, 30 divided by 5. 30 divided by 5 is 6. Plus, then I do 4 times 4, 16. And then 6 plus 16, to finish that up with the addition, is 22. Don't try to do too much. That's where students struggle, is when they try to do too many things at once, and that really can mess up the order of operations. Part D, grouping symbols first. 9, 5 cubed, not in grouping symbols, minus. Now, I do the innermost grouped stuff first. So that 9 plus 3 is inside. It's at the very inside of the grouping. So I go ahead and do that first. Then I do the 4 times 12 inside of here. And still inside that group, the brackets, but now I can do those. So 9 plus 5 cubed minus, and that's 48. Now, any exponents. 5 to the third is 125. And now I go through in order, left to right, with any multiplying and dividing. I don't have any. And then adding and subtracting, left to right. So I do 9 plus 125 is 134 minus 48. 134 minus 48. You have to do this and write things out so that you can get that. You can and do your subtraction, you get 86. Finally, part E. It's got some of this stuff again, so I'm not going to do the exponents yet. I'm going to work my way in and do the innermost group first, so 5 plus 1. Now I do the next group. 4 times, that's inside here, so that's 4 times 6, that's 24. Then I do the exponents. So because this part right here is just multiplying now. So now I do exponents before I do that. So that's 49 minus 2 times 24. Multiplying and dividing. And then adding and subtracting. And all I have is this subtracting, and I get 1. Be careful of this. Again, don't try to do too much at once. That's where students have trouble with order of operations.